Yeah, I'm doing polish, of course. Getting ready to go get my feet done. Got to take care of what you walk on, so that's maintenance. Maintenance one, feet, nails, feet and nails, feet and nails. You ain't not doing. Yeah, I'm doing polish, of course. Let me see what I had to get my flip flops from out the car. Oh, do I forgot them? Okay. Which one you getting? The green tea?
I'm getting the green tea petals. Which one you getting again?
Gold petals.
The gold petals.
Gold petals. No, I'm good. Thank you. I'm good for right now. So he's getting the green tea and I'm getting the petals, gold petals.
Yeah.
How you feeling, handsome?
I'm feeling good, honey.
I'm feeling good. Feeling good, y'all. Feeling like $1 million. My feet, though. Good gracious.
Your feet begging. You gotta work on your feet.
I never seen nothing like that. Yeah, like his feet.
Who got the better feet? Ooh.
Who got the better feet? Him or me? My nails done. This is what they look like. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. I love them. I love them. I'm gonna do a grocery haul for you guys. So first things first, I got some turkey sausage, ground turkey, eggs, apples, avocados, broccoli, some pork skins, coconut milk. I'm going to try this vanilla crunch Greek yogurt bars. I see a lot of people raving about them, so I'm going to try them. Himalayan salt, got vegetables, cauliflower rice, antioxidant blend. And this is what I'm going to use for like my stir fry with breakfast sometimes in the morning with eggs, and just other things as well. Some chopped spinach, Brussels sprouts, some vegan cheese. I got some V8 beet ginger and lemon juice. Got some cranberry juice. Got some Yoplait yogurt. Original, the smooth style strawberry. Got some Mexican corn, vegetable fried rice. Then I'm going to mix with the cauliflower rice. Got some bananas, cucumbers, limes, and mint for my water. Got some Trident gum for when I have a sweet tooth. Crystal Light. Got 3 gallons of water. Got some granola, tofu. Got this glass cleaner. Got some dog food for Princess, and got Curtis and Onyx some cat food. Got some dish detergent, some laundry detergent, and also got the cat and also got our cats and our dog some pepperoni for a treat.